guys, about to do that hinge pin shit. Hinge pin, whatever, hinge. There you go, pin and bushing kit, whatever. I did a video about 4, maybe 5 years ago. It wasn't that good. I just said, you know, I forgot to take the video, do the video while I was doing it. But I'm gonna do it today. It shouldn't be that hard. It took me about an hour last time. It was a different truck. It's a 2003 Silverado. As you can see, the door has a lot of play. But these got the original ones. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see. You're gonna need a 10mm socket extension. I don't have my small. Oh, you know what? I think I do. Yeah. Yeah, you need a 10mm. And there's three of these bolts that hold this thing on. So what I do, I get them loose. And get them loose. Oh, this is a tricky one. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Hold up, let me see if I can get this one without stripping it. What the hell's going on? Oh, maybe don't use the extension on this one. It's a shorty. And for this, you're gonna have to take the whole door off. So you take this thing off. Snap! Did I break that? You're gonna have to take this other plastic thing off. This thing is just clipped on somehow. I said I did it 4 or 5 years ago. It's not that hard. Pops off like that. Oh, this one pops off the same. Oh, yeah. Come on, stay. Damn you, tripod. It doesn't want to show. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Then you pull it forward. Yep, just like that. Comes off. Then there's a couple things you have to feed through that one hole so you can unhook the whole door. Use a screwdriver. You gotta take this grommet off. Just like that. Real simple. What the heck was that? A leaf? Alright. Then this one. Where does this go? Oh, like I said, right there. Loosen that up. You're gonna have to release it. It's got a little tab up there. Over here. Oh, it's got a little tab. So easy to push it in and it comes right off. And that's it. You just feed it right out. Make sure not to mess your other wires on too. You won't have problems in the long run. Hold up. It's just, can't do this. We feed it right through. Should come out. That's big enough. Just like that. And that's it. Those freed up. Now, gotta take these all the way off. There's 3 of them, 10 millimeters. Like I said, I don't know if it has the original. If it has the original pins, I'm gonna have to use my Sawzall, cut it off. Sawzall will do the job. It's gonna take a minute though, but gotta get it done. One. That was in here. I have to use the extension for this one. That's number 2. This is the 3rd one. Like I said, I made a video about 4 or 5 years ago. Did it on my 2000 Chevy Silverado, and I don't know, I just did a crappy video. Got a lot of feedback, mostly negative. Don't mean nothing to me. Just thanks for watching the video. But yeah, back to the video. See, this one's loose. That one's loose. Oh, let's see. There we go. Oh, let's see. Might be just. Oh man. Got myself 2 necks. Don't know how. Oh yeah. The hell did I do that? Show must go on. So now I gotta see if it comes off easily. Oh yeah, just like that. And that's how you do it. You just lift it right off the hinges. And, oh yeah. These are the factory, so I'm gonna have to cut those 2. These 2 over here. I think it's the top one. Yeah, the top one's the one that has all the play. So yep. Time to hack away. Yeah, let's do this. Take off the door. That's the one you feed out of there. The grommet, just push it in right through there. 1 wire. Take it off of that. Just a quick recap. Now let's cut this fucker off. I don't even know where to start. There you go. It should be free already. I don't know. Let's cut the other one. Boom, there it goes. It should just pop off now. There you go. Damn it. I need a hammer, and I do not have one. Damn, shit's on there. Let me see if I can find something better to use. I have a punch somewhere. Probably use this little thing. Might work. Oh, that's ridiculous. Yep, alright, I got a hammer. Let's see if it'll work. Yep, don't know what's going on here. Damn it. Just gonna have to hack it off. Oh, oh shit. Damn. Yeah, don't do that. Scratch up all your paint. Oh, let's see. There's gotta be a better way to do this shit. Oh yeah. Damn it. Yeah. I don't think I did the right thing. Oh well. It's up. Destroyed. I'm gonna have to bend this shit back. It's fucking fused. Oh shit. I don't know. Think we might have a problem. What do you think? Looks like, is it welded on there? I have no clue. It doesn't look. It looks like it's one piece. I don't know. Shit got to bend a little bit. Yep, it's turned dark in here, so yep. Those are brackets. Those are the pins I hacked off. I'm just gonna paint these real quick. Give them a quick spray with some black paint on. Clean them up real quick, and then I'll put the pins in a little bit. Alright, well, this is your pin kit. You grab these things and you set them in here. It should just go in there, but I might want to tap them in there. Just like that. Like I said, you grab those little washers and put them in there, down and up, and you grab your brackets. You put them in there. That's like that. So you can see there's going to be two different ones. It's going to be a fat one. See, it's two fat ones, a skinny one. Alright. Yeah. So the one with the thread on top, that goes in the bottom. Just like that. And then the skinnier one drops from the top to the bottom. And that's it. Boom. Then you put your washers and nuts on them. You're good to go. You see if I can one-hand it. Alright. Nope, I'm not gonna be able to do it. God damn. Alright. Sucker. This thing really sucks. Alright, so like I said, put your washer in there. Just like that. Alright. Grab your other one. Do the same thing for the top. Then I'm gonna use my channel locks, but yeah, you grab it from the top and it might be a 10. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, I have lost my bit. Oh, there it is. It really sucks doing this shit at night. And no, that is not it. So yeah, that's how you do it. And you just wrench them down. But hold up 1 minute. Alright, so you grab the top part with some channel locks or whatever. I can never find my tool, especially dark, so just like that. Nope. Oh yeah. And the nut on these, the hinge pin is going to be a half there, so yeah. I don't know how I'm going to do the other one though. That's going to suck. Tighten it up just like that and just loosen it up just a smidge. There you go. So can I get the other one? Jesus, Nikes. That's it. Yep, tighten them up and I'll be right back. Yeah, once you set your door, which took me a little bit by myself, but yep. Like I said, you feed this wire through that hole in there, put the grommet back up, you know, feed it out. Feed it through there. Oh snap, my bad, my bad. You see a little thing. Flip it back in the spot. Make sure this thing ain't dirty. Yeah, it's good to go. And you put it down in there. Let me see. And you place your panels. You can do this already because we ain't gonna do that no more. I'll do that at the end. Yeah. Like I said, grab your bolts. Your 10mm bolts, feed them in there. Hand tighten them. This thing, if it retracts, all you gotta do is go in there. Should come right out. There's a way that you grab this thing. There you go. Something like that. Okay, it doesn't want to. I'll break it. Well, yeah, you get the point. Like I said, yeah. Put your 10mm bolt back in. Okay, I need the extension. Oh, all right, that's there. That goes there. Where is it? Oh shit, it's not working. Come on. All right. This happens. This happens. There you go. Yep, that's how you do it. 10mm socket, half drive for the new hinge pin nut. So you might need 2 people to hold that door because I'd say it took me a minute. I didn't put it on the video because yeah, I put some other stuff, you know. Just it's not that hard, but yeah. Subscribe, comment below, like. It's all up to you. I'm out. Thanks for watching.